it's extremely important that whenever we discuss about the digital agenda, that we do that in public-private partnerships, that there is a genuine dialogue between industry, the other stakeholders and the governments, because that is the only sustainable way of being able to implement what is intended in the digital agenda. Key message that we want to deliver, that when we are talking about these items within the digital agenda, we are practically talking about growth, we are talking about jobs, we are talking about maintaining the welfare in Europe, which is vitally important for all the European citizens, for all the regions. We all should take our responsibility of the measures of implementing these important plans. Well, overall, we welcome very warmly and we fully support the digital agenda. Most of the items that we have felt in industry are currently barriers to our activities. They have been properly addressed. In particular, we welcome the copyright reform. But unfortunately, in this particular chapter, the copyright levy reform has not been mentioned. And we know that this is one of the key problems within the process of creating the digital single market for Europe, in order to help the consumers, in order to help the companies, and in order to help also the civil society to benefit from the digital single market. Well, we are in fully alignment with the ambitions of digital agenda to create the digital single market. The important thing is, of course, that we will be able to proceed, because there are a variety of different topics that have to be addressed, and that there is a clear roadmap in which order, which are the most urgent topics to be addressed first. We know that there is no silver bullet that can solve the problem. We have to have a dedicated work program in partnership with the stakeholders to be able to bring the targets into their goals. Well, that's a very important milestone, because we have to be able to again bring the different stakeholders together and at the same time review how much we have been able to proceed. Measuring the progress is an extremely important step in any action which is trying to reach its goals. We have to be able to have these kind of review meetings where we look what we have been able to achieve and what are the critical elements in the next phase. So therefore we welcome very warmly this initiative and are more than happy to contribute.